copying drawings, RFIs, and submittals between different company accounts. This not only consumes time, but creates serious risk when teams work from outdated information. Connectability represents a fundamental shift in how project teams collaborate. Rather than forcing everyone onto the same account or relying on manual sharing, connectability enables seamless data flow between separate company accounts while preserving each company's autonomy and data retention. Many of you already benefit from connected drawings released last year. Today, we're going to focus on connectability's next application, connected RFIs, which is currently in beta. Here, we have two Procore projects from different accounts that have been connected. The bottom view represents the general contractor or GC account, which serves as the primary hub for managing all project RFIs. Above it, you're going to see another Procore account belonging to a subcontractor or an owner that has been connected to the GC's project. Diving into the GC's account, you can see there is an open RFI. With connected RFIs, watch what happens when this RFI is completed. You add a response, mark it official, and then the GC simply goes through their standard RFI closing process. There's zero change to their workflow and notifications. Now, let's switch to what a subcontractor or an owner would see. Notice that the closed RFI now automatically appears in this account under the Connected RFIs tab. This provides automated, read-only access to the RFI even after the project ends or if any account loses access. This eliminates the need to manually copy completed RFIs between projects. Every company on the project has the final closed RFI readily available within their own Procore account for review and reporting forever. This means that even after project completion, everyone retains access to the RFIs from the project. It's not only in the GC's Procore account. With connected RFIs, the general contractor maintains their standard workflow while the subcontractor and owner teams automatically receive completed RFIs in their own account. This eliminates manual copying and ensures everyone retains permanent access to critical information even after project completion. We're not stopping there. Following RFIs will be submittals. Connected submittals will similarly enable subcontractor and owner accounts to automatically access read-only versions of distributed submittals. This feature is currently under development with a limited customer pilot starting soon. Connectability isn't just a feature. It's the foundation for true cross-company collaboration on our platform. By enabling Procore solutions to work seamlessly across company boundaries, we're creating an environment where information flows where it's needed without manual intervention. This is just the beginning of connectability's evolution into supporting full lifecycle collaboration across the entire construction ecosystem. When it comes to building and sticking to a schedule, collaboration between the office and field is essential. Construction projects constantly struggle with the disconnect between the master schedule and actual field execution. When these schedules exist in separate systems, often as static spreadsheets, teams lack real-time visibility into progress and impacts. This disconnect leads to miscommunication, delays, and wasted resources as teams work from outdated information. Our enhanced scheduling tool, currently in closed beta, creates a real-time, collaborative environment that bridges that gap. It brings scheduling into Procore's connected ecosystem and will soon offer AI-powered recommendations for faster decision-making. Let's take a quick look at how it works. A key use case is field scheduling, where you can import your detailed project schedule from tools like Primavera P6 or Microsoft Project. When imported, you'll see the original work breakdown structure and the master schedule bars in charcoal gray, which are read-only. Then, you can build out your detailed field plan using the editable light gray bars underneath. Making changes is easy and intuitive. You can drag and drop Gantt bars to adjust dates or durations, drag arrows to create dependencies, or indent activities to create hierarchy. Notice how changes you make can automatically shift downstream work. What's most powerful is this is a real-time collaborative environment. Your team can be in the schedule together and changes are immediately visible. You can easily assign work to specific companies or even use placeholders until a vendor is selected. And finding information is simple with advanced filtering. For instance, quickly filter to see just one trade's work or view a 3-week look ahead showing work scheduled over the next few weeks. We plan to move scheduling into open beta this summer, targeting general availability very soon. Our roadmap is ambitious and includes exciting capabilities like linking the schedule to Procore tools to manage risk and track progress, Procore's Helix Assist and agents to provide insights and automate routine tasks, mobile app access for viewing and updating schedules from the field, versioning, comparisons, and support for multiple schedules per project, and pull planning capabilities and deeper integration with other tools. By creating this real-time collaborative environment where master planning and field execution converge, we're eliminating the manual bridging and reconciliation that plague traditional approaches. Teams have the information they need when they need it on our unified platform, enabling unprecedented coordination and efficiency and risk mitigation. So we've looked at how Procore is improving stakeholder connection and coordination. But now let's talk about how maps and photos create a context layer linking digital data to physical locations. Construction happens in the physical world, yet critical project data is often disconnected from its real-world location. Without this spatial context, teams struggle to visualize where work needs to happen or track progress accurately, leading to mistakes, delays, and miscommunication. Maps and photos together form Procore's context layer, a revolutionary capability that merges digital project information with the physical job site. This context is embedded directly into your workflow, connecting what you build digitally with where you build physically. Maps is already integrated with photos, allowing you to track construction progress by viewing geotagged photos on a dynamic map. Building on this foundation, Procore Map, currently in beta, expands this spatial awareness to include quality and safety tools like observations, inspections, incidents, and punch lists. Here, you can see the Procore map. Notice how photos appear directly on the map, clustered together when zoomed out. As we zoom in, the clusters expand, revealing individual photo locations. We can click on any photo thumbnail to open it and see details. This is incredibly useful for quickly understanding work status by location. Now, let's say we want to see photos by date range, by who uploaded them, or by the trade involved. We can use the filter option here to narrow down the displayed photos, making it easier to track progress over time in specific areas. You can also see pins representing different types of project data, like safety incidents or punch list items. Here, we're showing inspections directly on the map, giving you immediate visual context of where these activities or issues are located on the job site. This is just the beginning of making maps a core platform feature available across all Procore tools. We're also prioritizing map layers, starting with standard geographic file formats, so you can overlay critical data like drone surveys or design files directly onto the map view. You may plan in a digital world, but you build in a physical one. By combining spatial context with real-time project data on our unified platform, we're enabling faster, more informed decisions, enhanced collaboration, and greater efficiency, truly bridging the gap between digital planning and physical execution. Before we conclude our session, I'd like to take a moment to provide additional detail on how Procore's enhanced safety capabilities represent a strategic pivot to protect your most valuable asset, your people. Construction job sites are dynamic environments with constant potential hazards. Safety management often becomes reactive rather than proactive, focusing on documentation after incidents rather than prevention. As one customer told us, we need to stop building tools for what's already happened, start building tools preventing what will happen. Safety is so fundamental to construction that it deserves dedicated focus within our platform. That's why we're making a strategic pivot to elevate safety within Procore. Later this year, safety and quality will each have dedicated areas in Procore. This isn't just a cosmetic change. It represents our commitment to developing specialized features tailored to the unique needs of safety management. From a functional perspective, this means you'll be able to set up and manage inspections and observations specifically for safety. We're also developing innovative, field-friendly safety tools. Imagine you're a worker on site and need to inspect a piece of equipment. Because this is a routine activity, there's a QR sticker in place. The site superintendent has previously assigned a QR sticker to the inspection template for that equipment. That sticker, by the way, is job site ready. It's made of durable material meant to stand up to harsh conditions. These will be available directly from Procore at a later date. Using their mobile device, the worker now scans the QR code. Notice how this opens the Create Inspection Checklist screen, and the appropriate template is displayed. No need for the worker to go first into the inspections tool, then search for the template for the equipment in front of them. The worker now quickly and accurately performs the inspection. Time is saved, and the possibility of error is reduced. Finally, our safety card links to NFC tags, allowing supervisors to instantly verify worker certifications in the field, ensuring only properly qualified personnel perform specialized tasks. A supervisor or safety manager can use their NFC-enabled mobile device to read the safety card. This instantly brings up the worker's profile directly in Procore, showing their name, company, and most importantly, their relevant certifications and training records, including expiration dates. This eliminates reliance on paper cards and manual checks, ensuring that only properly certified personnel are performing specific tasks. This data is then linked to the worker's profile, available instantly, right where you need it in the field. These connected, field-friendly tools represent our commitment to proactively manage safety on our unified platform. By integrating safety into every single stage of construction and connecting it with other project data, we're moving beyond checklists to proactively manage risk and prevent issues before they occur. In today's session, we've explored how Procore is transforming project execution through our unified platform. Connectability breaks down barriers between stakeholders, enabling seamless collaboration across company boundaries. Scheduling bridges the gap between planning and execution, creating unprecedented coordination efficiency. Maps and photos form our context layer, connecting digital data to physical locations for better decision-making. And enhanced safety tools represent our strategic pivot towards proactive protection of your people and projects. Only Procore's unified platform with AI-powered insights can deliver this level of connection, coordination, and context, bringing together every aspect of construction into a seamless experience. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey to transform our industry together.